how to redeem gift card on Paxful to buy cryptocurrencies. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site paxful.com. Now in this section, you have to select what you want to buy. Let me click on Bitcoin. Now you have to select the payment method, so tap on Show All. At the top, you'll find the option of gift cards. Click on it. From all of these, select one of the specific in which you want to redeem the gift card. Let me tap on Amazon gift card. Once you have selected, you have to set the amount that you want to buy. It will land you on this interface. Now once again select Amazon gift card and click on Buy. Make the payment according to their needs and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem gift card on Paxful to buy cryptocurrencies. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.